Hello, I am Dr. Kanchan Singh. Welcome to India Homeopathy. In today's video, I will talk about why scales and ailments are not getting better. So let's start the video and watch it carefully to find out where the mistake occurs. Do you all know what psoriasis is? Psoriasis is an autoimmune disorder when our own immune system attacks our skin cells. So these skin cells, which should grow in a month, are not growing in 15 days, and the growth continues. Right now, our entire skin, the new and the old skin, is yet to shed, and the new skin starts depositing underneath. When it deposits underneath, inflammation occurs there. Where inflammation happens, your skin starts to dry, you feel itching, it cracks, and flakes start to form. Similarly, when our immune system gets disturbed, we get scalp psoriasis. Some people ignore it thinking it's dandruff, but when the problem worsens and they come to us doctors, we diagnose and examine them. We guide patients that it's not dandruff but scalp psoriasis. Now, what symptoms will appear if there is scalp psoriasis? So the symptoms will be that you will have a lot of itching, which can occur on the corner areas of your scalp. It can also occur on the back, on the neck, near the ears, on the forehead, and on the entire scalp. The patches will appear very red to you and will be thick. There will be a lot of itching, so much that when you scratch, blood may come out and flakes will appear. Now, what are those flakes like? They are silver colored flakes. It's obvious that this is psoriasis. Why is this happening? Because your own immune system is getting triggered, becoming hyperactive and destroying your own cells. So this is what happens. Why is the scalp psoriasis not getting better? So the very first main reason is stress. Everyone has stress, but patients with scalp psoriasis have their stress levels become absolutely high. Well, when he looks at himself in the mirror, he feels like he is not looking good. I also have many patients who come to the OPD and say the same thing, that their face is getting worse. The psoriasis on scalp is reaching their face. The main reason behind this is stress. If you take stress, what will happen to your psoriasis? Instead of getting better, it will increase. So you should not take stress. You should meditate, do yoga and exercise, which will reduce your stress level and your scales will gradually diminish. The second mistake patients make is diet. If you consume an unhealthy diet, if you eat the wrong food, it will also trigger your psoriasis. If you eat patient food nowadays, if you are eating fried food, eating packaged food, consuming foods with oils and spices, consuming alcohol, smoking, then your psoriasis will increase, not be cured. So what do you want to eat? So you should eat a healthy diet. Such foods contain antioxidants. For example, our pulses contain antioxidants, especially mung lentils contain antioxidants, and maso lentils also have antioxidants. It will help reduce the oxidative stress that has occurred on your skin, that is on your scalp, and will also help in reducing the psoriasis that has occurred on your scalp. So you need to focus on your diet as well. The third big mistake is, like, if I talk about females, they usually prefer long and straight hair. So nowadays, those with curly hair want to straighten it, and those with straight hair want to curl it. So I will specially guide them that whatever type of hair you have, whether it's stressed or curly, do not use any kind of chemical on it. If you use chemicals and you have scalp psoriasis, it can trigger an increase. If there are chemicals in them, what will the chemicals do? They will further trigger your antibodies and your scalp psoriasis will flare up more, meaning it will continue to increase. So stay away from chemicals and do not apply dye to your hair at all. The fourth mistake that every patient is making these days, especially with scalp psoriasis, is sugar. Completely minimize the amount of sugar in your diet. If you want to eat something sweet, you can occasionally consume jaggery. Jaggery contains potassium, which will help manage your blood pressure and also increase the pigmentation of melanin. So these are the little things that patients ignore. If you ignore them, your scalp psoriasis will increase rather than be cured. So I hope you all understood why scalp psoriasis is increasing and not getting cured with medication. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you.